Hi, welcome back to Bluebonnet Learning. I'm Mrs. Perkins. Today we're doing 2nd grade, Module 7, Lesson 22. Our objective today is measure an object twice using different length units and compare, and relate measurement to unit size. The materials you will need today are a centimeter ruler, an inch ruler, one plain sheet of white paper, a bag with an unsharpened pencil, a new crayon, and a new unused pink eraser. Please get those ready. Terminology. The words we will be using today are inch, centimeter, and length. Okay, with your partner, you're both going to measure the length of a pencil. Partner A, you're going to use the inch ruler to measure the pencil, and partner B, you're going to use the centimeter ruler to measure the pencil. Okay, partner A, what did you get for the measurement of the pencil? Okay, so partner A, what did you get for the length? 7 inches. Okay, partner B, what did you get for the length of the pencil? 18 centimeters. Why do you think the measurements are different? Turn and talk to your partner. Are you both correct? Okay, so you got different measurements, but you both think you're correct. So let's check. You're still going to measure the same pencil, but now I want you to switch rulers. So now partner A, you're going to measure the pencil with a centimeter ruler, and partner B, you're going to measure the pencil with the inch ruler. Okay, so what did you get for the measurements now? Was your partner correct? Are your measurements the same as your partner's when using different rulers? Yes, so the length of our pencil did not change. Which is longer, a unit of 1 centimeter or 1 inch? Turn and talk to your partner. That's right, 1 inch is longer than 1 centimeter. So that means we need more centimeters to measure the same thing as opposed to if we were measuring in inches. That means 7 inches is about the same as 18 centimeters. Did we use more centimeters or more inches to measure the pencil? That's right, we used more centimeters. So to measure the same pencil, we used 18 centimeters and only 7 inches. Why did we need more centimeters? That's right, because centimeters are smaller than inches. Turn and talk to your partner about why the measurements are different for the same object. That's right, because different units are different sizes. Centimeters are smaller than inches, so we need more of them to measure the same object. Now, with your partner, I want you to measure the crayon and the eraser. Take turns measuring in centimeters and inches, and use your white paper to record them on the table. Great job, guys. What patterns do you see in your measurements using different rulers? Very good. We always have a larger number of centimeters than inches because centimeters are smaller than inches, so we need more of them to measure the same objects. Does this remind you of the time we measured straws using different sized paper clips? Remember that time we used large paper clips and small paper clips, right? We needed more small paper clips to measure the straw than large paper clips. Yeah, you guys remember that? Okay, turn and talk to your partner. What do you know about measurement and unit size? Great job. Okay, get your white paper out again. Now, using your rulers, Draw 2 line segments on your white paper. Make one line segment 5 inches and one 5 centimeters. But before you begin, tell your partner which line segment will be longer. Tell them why you think that too. Okay, now draw your line segments. Now, look at your lines. How many centimeters do you think it would take to equal 5 inches? Use your centimeter ruler to check your estimate. Very good. 13 centimeters is about 5 inches. Measure to see about how many inches 5 centimeters is. How many centimeters would it take to be longer than 5 inches? Would you need to measure again? No, what strategy could you use? Very good. Let's review our objective. Did you measure an object twice using different length units and compare and relate measurement to unit size? Up next, you'll work on your problem.